Okay, good evening, class. Good evening,
Good evening, teacher.
Chris. Good evening, Marta. Good evening, Ingrid. Good evening, Angie.
Good evening, teacher.
Hey, Angelica.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, good evening. We are going to start our English class. But first, as always, you need to accept the recording of this session. So write in the chat, please, that you accept the recording. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Catherine. Thank you, thank you. Okay, perfect, perfect, thank you. Please, thank you, Ingrid. Thank you, Angelica. Perfect. So we are going to start our English class. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to present you the agenda for today. Let's start. Okay, perfect. Well, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
No.
No yet? What about now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So for today, we have the week 12, unit 3.2, lifestyles. So this is the agenda for today. First, we have our motivation activity. In our motivation activity, we are going to talk about two vocabularies in simple present and simple past. Okay. The number 2 is the unit 3.2 lifestyles, a short explanation about the activities of this week. And number 3, the explanation about our final English exam, explanation number 1. Next class is explanation number 2 and number 3, okay? So this is the agenda for today. First, we are going to start with our motivation activity. Let's start. Well, this is the activity number 1. Okay, we are going to talk about hobbies. Hobbies in Spanish means pasatiempos. So in this activity, you need a pen or a pencil, a notebook or a piece of paper, right? Because you need to write the answers. You need to write the answer by yourself. So let's start. Okay. We have match the verbs in the box with pictures from 1 to 15. You need some verbs more than once. Listen and check. My question is, are you ready? Are you ready? Do you have a pencil and a piece of paper at home?
Yes.
Yes? Are you ready? Okay, perfect. Perfect. So let's start. Listen and check. Listen.
1. Dance. 2. Draw. 3. Play online games. 4. Bake. 5. Take photos. 6. Write a blog. 7. Play the drums. 8. Make jewelry. 9. Paint. 10. Play chess. 11. Sew. 12. Knit. 13. Collect stamps. 14. Sing. 15. Collect coins.
Okay. Listen again. Check the photos, check the vocabulary. Listen again.
1. Dance. 2. Draw. 3. Play online games. 4. Bake. 5. Take photos. 6. Write a blog. 7. Play the drums. 8. Make jewelry. 9. Paint. 10. Play chess. 11. Sew. 12. Knit. 13. Collect stamps. 14. Sing. 15. Collect coins.
Okay, the last one. The last one. Listen.
1. Dance. 2. Draw. 3. Play online games. 4. Bake. 5. Take photos. 6. Write a blog. 7. Play the drums. 8. Make jewelry. 9. Paint. 10. Play chess. 11. Sew. 12. Knit. 13. Collect stamps. 14. Sing. 15. Collect coins.
Okay, very good. Let's start. Number 1, the answer is? Number 1?
Dance.
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 Listen. Okay.
1. Dance.
What does it mean, dance in Spanish?
Bailar.
Yes, of course. No problem. What about number 2?
Draw. Drop. Drop.
Okay, listen.
Drop.
2. Draw.
Draw. Okay. Very good. What does it mean, draw? What does it mean, draw in Spanish?
Dibujar.
Dibujar. Draw. Okay, very good. Perfect. What about number 3? Online games. 3.
Play. Online games.
Okay, listen.
3. Play online games.
Okay, 3. Play online games. Yes, very good. Okay, jugar videojuegos online, ¿no? En línea. Okay, what about number 4?
Bake. Bake.
Bake.
4. Bake.
Yes. What does it mean, bake in Spanish?
Hornear.
Yes, very good. Hornear. Hornear. Okay. What about number 5?
Take a photo.
Photos. Okay, listen.
5. Take photos.
Take photos. Yes, very good. What about number 6? A blog. What about number 6? A blog? No idea? Listen.
Right.
Okay.
Write a blog.
Yes, very good. Listen.
6. Write a blog.
Yeah, very good.
7.
What about 7? The drums.
Play the drums.
Yes, very good.
Play the drums.
Very good. Write the block, play the drums. What about jewelry? Number 8.
Make.
Make. Okay, listen.
8. Make jewelry.
Make jewelry. It's in Spanish, it's like hacer joyería, ¿no? Fabricar, construir, hacer joyería. Okay, what about number 9? Number 9, what do you think? Number 9.
Paint.
Yeah, very good.
9. Paint.
Paint, no problem. Very good. What about 10? What about 10? What do you think? Chess.
Play chess.
Okay.
10. Play chess.
Play again. Okay, play again. Play chess. Good. What about 11?
So.
Yeah.
No sé cómo. ¿Sí?
11. Sew.
So it's like in Spanish, coser, no? Coser. So, okay, good. What about 12? What about 12? Listen.
12. Knit.
Knit, okay? Knit in Spanish means tejer, no? Tejer. Okay, very good. What about number 13? Very easy. 13 and 14. And 15, sorry. 13 and 14 is the same.
Okay.
Yes, very good. The answer is collect. 2 times collect. Okay. And number 14 is sink. So no problem.
13. Collect stamps. 14. Sing. 15. Collect coins.
Okay, very good. Questions? Was it clear? Difficult, easy, new vocabulary? Easy?
Easy, teacher.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Very good. So tell me, what is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby?
Teacher, my favorite hobby is sing.
Okay, very good. Okay, read, sing. Okay, play online games, play the guitar, play chess, paint, take photos. Okay, tell me, what's your favorite hobby?
Teacher, my favorite hobby is listen rock music.
Okay, rock music. What's your favorite band? Rock band? Metallica, Led Zeppelin, Doors, Blink-182, Limp Bizkit. What's your favorite band?
Bon Jovi.
Okay, Bon Jovi. Yeah. Okay, very good.
Metallica.
Metallica. Okay, very good.
No, todas.
No more? All?
Todas.
Okay, so you say Led Zeppelin, Police, Doors.
Kiss, Cinderella.
Okay, very good. So here you can find the answers and the audio script. If you want, take a photo, take a screenshot because you need these answers for the next activity, okay?
1. Dance.
Mientras que escuchan el audio, tomen una foto, un pantallazo, porque necesitan este vocabulario para la siguiente actividad. Listen.
2. Draw. 3. Play online games. 4. Bake. 5. Take photos. 6. Write a blog. 7. Play the drums. 8. Make jewelry. 9. Paint. 10. Play chess. 11. Sew. 12. Knit. 13. Collect stamps. 14. Sing. 15. Collect coins.
Okay, perfect. Very good. Exercise number 2. Here we have match the hobbies with the descriptions. Okay, match the hobbies with the descriptions. Okay, it's like a una los pasatiempos con la descripción. For example, number 1. These hobbies are connected to music. What do you think? Estos pasatiempos son conectados con música. De los que acabamos de ver, ¿cuáles podrían ser? Tell me. These hobbies are connected to music. For example,
Dance.
sing. Okay, what else?
Dance. No?
Dance. Yes, very good. And play drums. Yeah? Okay. It's like these hobbies are connected to music. Estos pasatiempos son conectados con música. Entonces, de la lista que teníamos, ¿cuáles son conectados con música? Bailar, cantar y pues tocar algún instrumento. Okay, is clear the activity?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And about the time, we have 5 minutes because the time is too short. Okay, we have 5 minutes. Questions? Questions? Liz, Marta, Laura, Ingrid, Lourdes. Yes, tell
Lo que hay
me.
que hacer es colocar los verbos que están asociados a la frase. ¿Sí?
Yes, very good. Okay, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, students. So let's start.
Teacher, we write in the chat.
No. You have to write the answers in a piece of paper because we are going to socialize, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So let's continue. Okay, ready? Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So let's start with number 2. Number 2, people often do these hobbies in beautiful places. What do you think? Number 2, people often do these hobbies in beautiful places.
Take photos.
Take photos, okay, 1. Number 2, what do you think? Number 2?
Draw.
Draw, yeah. Okay. What about number 3? No more? Paint could be?
Write. Write and paint.
Yeah, paint. Paint is okay. Perfect. What about number 3? This hobby is connected to food. The answer is bake. Okay, it's like a hornear, bake. Okay. What about number 4? Number 4. You study and collect objects for this hobby.
Collect coins.
Collect coins and collect stamps. Okay, collect coins and collect stamps. Very good. Number 5. You need another person to do this hobby. What do you think?
Play chess.
Play chess, yes. No more? No more, no more? What do you think? No more? Dance, yes?
No, not necessary.
Not necessary. Okay, very good. Next, these hobbies are connected to clothes. What do you think?
Sue, I don't know how to pronounce. Sue.
Okay, yeah, it's okay.
Ignite, no sé.
Neat, yeah, it's okay, neat. Okay.
I don't know if make jewelry.
Well, clothes could be, but I think that sew and knit is much better.
Okay.
What about number 7? You need to use the internet for this hobby. What do you think? You need to use the internet for this hobby. What do you think? Could be what?
Play online games.
Yes, could be, but there is another option. Write a blog. So here you can find the answers. Number 1, dance, play, drum, and sing. Number 2, draw. Okay. Take photos and paint. Number 3, bake. Number 4, collect stamps, collect coins. Number 5, play chess. Number 6, sew and knit. And number 7, write a blog. Okay, perfect. Good. So let's continue, students. Let's continue. Vocabulary number 2. This vocabulary is very easy. It's the same methodology, okay? Match the words and phrases in the box with picture from 1 to 12. Listen and check. It's very, very easy. Listen.
1. Be born. 2. Start school. 3. Finish school. 4. Go to college. 5. Get a degree. 6. Get a job. 7. Meet someone. 8. Get married. 9. Have a baby. Have a family. 10. Get divorced. 11. Retire. 12. Die.
Listen again.
1. Be born. 2. Start school. 3. Finish school. 4. Go to college. 5. Get a degree. 6. Get a job. 7. Meet someone. 8. Get married. 9. Have a baby. Have a family. 10. Get divorced. 11. Retire. 12. Die.
Okay, perfect. Very, very easy. Number 1, be born, no problem. Be born. Number 2.
Start school.
1. Be born. 2. Start school.
Yes, start school. Okay, start school. Yeah, very good. Number 3.
Finish school.
Yes, okay.
3. Finish school.
Finish school. Yeah. What about number 4? Number 4.
Go to college.
Listen.
4. Go to
Eh.
college.
Yes, go to college. Okay, go to college. What about number 5? Five. No idea?
Get degree.
Okay, get a degree.
5. Get a degree.
Get a degree. Yes, very good. What about number 6?
Get a job.
Okay, perfect.
6. Get a job.
What about number 7?
Meet someone.
Yeah, okay.
7. Meet someone.
Meet someone. Okay, get a degree, get a job, meet someone. Okay. What about number 8?
Get married.
Get married. Okay.
8. Get married.
Get married. Okay. What about number 9?
Have a baby.
Have a baby or have a family?
9. Have a baby. Have a family.
Yeah. Have a baby, have a family. What about 10?
Get divorced.
Okay, get divorced. What about 11? What about 11?
Retire.
11. Retire.
Retire. It's like in Spanish, jubilarse, no? Retire and die.
12. Die.
Okay, perfect. What's your favorite? What's your favorite? What is your favorite?
Meet someone.
Retire.
Okay, meet someone. Meet someone. Okay, teacher, retire. Jubilarme. Okay. What's your favorite? What's your favorite? Tell me. Get divorced? No?
No, teacher. Get
Get
married.
married. Get married. Okay, get married. Very good. Have a baby, have a family. Okay. Or maybe get a degree, right? Could be. Get a degree. This one. For you. Okay, students, perfect. So if you want, as I told you, take a photo or take a screenshot because you need this vocabulary, right? Tomen una foto, un pantallazo porque necesitan ese vocabulario.
1. Be born. 2. Start school. 3. Finish school. 4. Go to college. 5. Get a degree. 6. Get a job. 7. Meet someone. 8. Get married. 9. Have a baby. Have a family. 10. Get divorced. 11. Retire. 12. Die.
Okay, perfect. Okay, students, let's continue. Exercise number 2. Here we have complete the sentences with the phrases in the correct form. Okay, complete the sentences with the phrases in the correct form. For example, number 1, my dad last year, but he's still really busy all the time. Mi papá el año pasado, pero él aún realmente se encuentra ocupado todo el tiempo. The answer is
My dad retired last year,
yes.
but he is still really busy all the time.
Yeah, retire, okay. Mi papá se jubiló el año pasado, ¿no? Retire. Okay, so you are gonna complete from number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and about the time we have 7 minutes. Okay, is clear the activity? Is clear the activity, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Angie. Let's start. 7 minutes. Okay, students. Laura, Marta, Ingrid, Angie, are you ready? Angelica, are you ready? Are you ready or not yet? Angie, are you ready? Angelica, Liz, Marta, Ingrid, Laura. Are you ready? Are you ready? Did you finish? Yes or no? Hello, did you finish? Laura, did you finish? Angie, Ingrid, Lourdes, did you finish? No yet?
Ready, profe.
Okay. Okay, Ingrid. Good. So, well, let's start because we don't have enough time. Let's start. Okay. Complete the sentences with the phrases in the correct form. Number one, my dad retired last year, but he's still really busy all the time. Number two, my sister and my brother-in-law want to buy a big house with lots of bedrooms before they. What do you think? The answer is?
A baby.
Have a baby or have a family. Yeah, very good, very good. Number three, in the United States, children, when they are 5 years old, the answer is? Start. The answer is start. Start school. Yes. Start school. Yeah. Number four. These days, a lot of people use the internet to try to special. What do you think?
Meet someone.
Okay. Meet someone. Okay. Number five. Danny doesn't want to, after he finishes school, he wants to start working instead. What do you think? College. The answer is college. Go or get? What do you think? Danny doesn't want to, number five. After he finishes school, he wants to start working instead. What do you think? No idea? Go college. Okay, go college. Number six, Jenny is in college. She wants to in French and Russian. What do you think? Number six. Jenny is in college. She wants to in French and Russian. The answer is? No idea? Get a degree. Okay, get a degree. Number seven. My friends Emily and Martin last year on a beach in the Caribbean. It was beautiful. The answer is
Get married.
most women have babies in the hospital, but my dad at home. The answer is was born because it's in past. Okay, remember, retire in past. Number 2, have a baby or have a family. Number 3, start school. Number 4, meet someone. Number 5, go to college. Number 6, get a degree. Number 7, got married. Number 8, was born. Okay? Check the answers. And let's continue. Well, this is the vocabulary. Now we are going to talk about irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. My question is, can you identify all of them? Can you identify all of them? In infinitive and past, can you identify all of them? ¿Pueden identificar todos estos? En infinitivo y en pasado? Yes or no?
Más o menos.
So. For example, and well, number 16, take. The past is? Took, yeah. And in Spanish is? What does it mean in Spanish?
Tomar de hacer.
Tomar objetos, ¿no? No de beber.
Eso,
Okay. Okay. Very good. For example, drive. What does it mean, drive?
Drove.
Yeah, drove. Very good. Drove. Okay. And in Spanish is?
Conducir.
O manejar, ¿no? Conducir o manejar. For example, no. The past is?
No.
No new. Okay. And in Spanish is?
Conocer.
Saber o conocer, ¿no? Saber o conocer. Okay. So, we are talking about regular or irregular verbs. What do you think? Regular or irregular? Irregular verbs. Okay. Estamos hablando de verbos irregulares. Listen. Listen and try to complete. Listen.
1. Begin, began. 2.
Okay, begin, began in Spanish is comenzar. Number 2.
Come, came.
Come, came in Spanish is venir.
3. Do, did.
In Spanish, hacer.
4. Drink, drank.
Beber.
5. Drive, drove.
Conducir.
6. Eat, ate.
Comer.
7. Go, went.
Ir.
8. Give, gave.
Dar.
9. Hear, heard.
Oír.
10. Know, knew.
Saber o conocer.
11. Say, said.
Decir.
12. See, saw.
Mirar.
13. Leave, left.
Dejar.
14. Speak, spoke.
Hablar.
15. Get, got.
Obtener o conseguir.
16. Take, took.
Tomar de coger objetos.
17. Think, thought.
Pensar.
18. Write, wrote.
Escribir.
19. Meet, met.
Reunirse con.
20. Have, had.
Tener. Difficult, easy. Can you identify all of them? Can you identify all of them? Difficult, easy?
Easy, teacher.
Okay, perfect, good. So let's continue, students. Well, we finished this part and we talk about irregular verbs, simple present, simple past. But in this moment, we are going to continue, okay, with the activity number 2. Is the unit 3.2 lifestyles. Okay, in our unit, wait a minute. I'm sorry. Okay. Here we have for today, we have hobbies. Okay, we talked about it. Free activities time, no problem. Regular and irregular verbs. Sequence connectors. Review of tenses, simple present, simple past, future will, and future going to. So, talking about hobbies, pasatiempos, okay, we talk about that. So, the question is, what's your hobby? What's your hobby? It's like, ¿cuál es tu pasatiempo? I like coloring comic books. After like, don't forget, verb with ing. No olvidar. Después de like, verbo con ing. Okay? So here you can find hobbies and the translation. You need to study by yourself. Okay? Study by yourself. The activity and the translation. Okay? Study by yourself. Some examples and the video. So don't forget that you have to watch this video. Okay? Free time activities, the same. What do you like doing in your free time? I like, and after like, verb with ing. Okay, verb with ing. So here you can find the activity and the translation. Study by yourself. Okay, study by yourself. And the video. Regular and irregular verbs, okay. The question is, what did you do last weekend? I studied a lot. Regular or irregular? Good.
Regular.
Regular, okay, very good. Here we have regular and irregular verbs. To talk about the past, you need to know how to conjugate verbs. So verbs are divided into groups, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs. These verbs have an established pattern in all tenses. You just need to add er at the end of the verb. For example, visit with ed, ask with ed, listen with ed, and travel with ed. Los verbos regulares, ¿cierto? Tienen un patrón o una forma establecida y es que en su pasado le vas a poner ed al finalizar. ¿Ok? Irregular verbs. These verbs don't follow the normal rules because their structure is different in all the tenses. Estos verbos no siguen la estructura normal, ¿cierto? Y cambian en los tiempos. For example, sleep, in the past slept, be, in past was were, eat, ate, make, made. Entonces, estos no tienen una regla en común, ¿ok? Simplemente es revisarlos y estudiarlos. Here you have some examples about the regular verbs. You have to study by yourself this list. Estudia esta lista de verbos regulares. Son muy conocidos todos los que están acá. Okay. Regular. Don't forget ed. Ed. Okay. And here irregular verbs. Study by yourself. Study. Okay. Here you can find the verb in past and the translation. Okay. Verb, past, and translation. Verb, past, and translation. And don't forget the video. Okay. Don't forget the video. Sequence connectors. In sequence connectors are words which link sentences in a logical sequence. Son palabras las cuales conectan oraciones en una secuencia lógica. For example, first in Spanish is primero. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo. Okay? To cook spaghetti first, para cocinar espagueti primero, entonces ahí usted coloca el orden. Primero, segundo, tercero. Number 2, after that, in Spanish is like a, después de esto, o después de esto, de eso o de esto. For example, after that, fill the pot with the water and set the stove on fire. Después de esto, llene la olla, ¿cierto? Con agua y colóquela. Bueno, entonces ahí le está dando un orden. Number 3, next. Next in Spanish means siguiente o próximo. Next. Next step, it's easy. Put salt and oil into the water. For example, el siguiente paso es fácil. Ponga sal, ¿cierto? Y aceite dentro de, en el agua. Next, then, entonces, luego, después. Then wait for the water to boil and put the spaghetti on the pot. Luego, o entonces, o después, dependiendo de lo que quieras decir. Later, it's like a más tarde, después. Finalmente. Good. Don't forget the video. And here we have the review of the tenses. The first topic is present simple. In present simple, don't forget, we used to talk about frequent facts and usual actions. For example, does she good. In simple present, for affirmative, we have the subject plus verb in infinitive or in present plus complement. Don't forget, she, he, and it, you have to add es or es. No se les olvide. Para afirmativo, solo para afirmativo, solo para presente simple. Con ella, él y eso, el verbo debe llevar S o ES respectivamente. Si el verbo termina en doble S, pues colocas ES. Si termina en CH, colocas ES. ¿Cierto? Si termina en X, ES. ¿Listo? Si termina en SH, ES. El resto simplemente le colocas la S. Es como una reglita ahí para que la tengan presente. Okay. For negative sentence, you can use this form. Okay. Subject plus auxiliary in negative. Okay, negative. Plus verb in present plus complement or verb in infinitive. ¿Listo? Entonces aquí me dice, para negativo utilizo el sujeto más el auxiliar. Don't forget, don't or doesn't. Doesn't is used with she, he, and it. Doesn't es utilizado para él, ella o eso. El resto es con don't. She doesn't love. It's like ella no ama. Or he doesn't watch. Él no ve. Or they don't do. Ellos no hacen. Okay? And here we can find some examples. And to ask question, follow this structure. Auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus complement. Del auxiliar, dependiendo del pronombre, verbo y complemento. Short answer, full answer. Eso lo hemos trabajado siempre. Short answer, full answer. Okay, and the video. Simple past or past simple. Don't forget, in affirmative, okay, we have the subject plus verb in past plus complement. Entonces no se les olvide, en afirmativo, para el pasado simple, colocamos un sujeto más un verbo en pasado más un complemento. In negative, subject plus did not. You are going to use did not for all personal pronouns or didn't if you want. Puedes utilizar did not or didn't, cualquiera de los dos, para todos los pronombres personales. Plus verb in infinitive plus complement. Aquí vas a utilizar un verbo en infinitivo más un complemento. El verbo en infinitivo es la primera columna de los verbos. O sea, no le vas a poner pasado, no le vas a poner nada. La forma base del verbo. Here you have some examples. Aquí hay algunos ejemplos. And you can find questions. Y aquí pueden encontrar algunas preguntas. Ok. Auxiliary, subject, verb, complement. Esta es su estructura. Good. Short answer, full answer. Some examples. And the video. Future will, futuro will. Esto lo paso rápido porque ya es un repaso nada más. Ok. We have will is used to talk about promises, prediction, future facts, offer, and instant decision. Esto ya lo habíamos trabajado, pero es para recordar. Es utilizado para hablar de promesas, predicciones, ofertas, decisiones instantáneas. Ok. Remember, I read, por ejemplo, vamos a ver este ejemplo. I read is like a yo leo. But I will read is like a yo leeré. Acuérdense que este will le pone la expresión hacia futuro. Trabajaré, leeré, cantaré, bailaré, jugaré. In negative, won't. If you want, will not is okay. Subject plus will not or won't plus verb plus complement. Okay. Examples. And questions. Will plus subject plus verb plus complement. Short answer, full answer in affirmative and negative. Okay. Some examples and the video. And to finish, we have going to. Remember, the expression going to is like a ir a or voy a. Don't forget subject plus verb to be plus going to plus verb plus complement. For example, we are going to. Nosotros vamos a. She's going to. Ella va a qué? A visitar, a gastar, bueno, lo que sea. Ok, ir a. Traduce. Going to, voy a. In negative, not. We are not going to. Okay. Negative. Okay. We are not. It's not. She is not going to visit. Going to spend. Going to be. Okay. In negative. And question. Are we, is he, is it, is she going to? And the verb. Short answer and full answer. Short answer and full answer and the video. And we finish. Questions? Students, questions?
No, teacher.
No questions? No questions? Okay. Thank you. Perfect. And to finish our class, we have the final English exam explanation number 1. Okay. And in our exam, in our final exam, don't forget you have to present your final exam on August 21st. No se les olvide que el examen está programado para agosto 21. Está habilitado todo el día. Ya les había enviado esta semana ese mensaje, pero bueno, te lo recuerdo nuevamente en clase. Y recuerden que ese examen es la única nota de este corte, para que lo tengan presente. Okay, final English exam explanation number 1. So, vocabulary section, 15 questions, grammar section, the 15 or 20 questions, and reading section, 15 questions. Entonces, tenemos de vocabulario, sección de vocabulario, 15 preguntas, que es la primera parte. Luego tenemos sección de gramática de 15 a 20 preguntas. Y luego tenemos sección de lectura de 15 preguntas. No se vayan a confundir si ustedes comienzan y abren Vocabulary Section, 15 questions, y les aparece el número de 1 a 15 y luego se repite otra vez el número 1. ¿Por qué? Porque ya cambiaron de sección. Entonces vuelve nuevamente a numerar de 1 a 15. Eso es para que lo tengan presente. ¿Listo? No me vaya a decir, profe, es que me salió mal el examen. Yo ya lo revisé y están así. Entonces viene la sección de vocabulario, 15 preguntas. Y ya después vuelve nuevamente al número 1, pero ya cambia de sección. Entonces no se vayan a asustar por eso, que ahí está correcto. Simplemente lean los títulos. Ok. Final English exam explanation 1. Vocabulary section, 15 questions. Vocabulary section A and B. Read the following paragraph and fill the gaps with the most suitable words. And B, select the words that could go together. Les va a aparecer estos dos títulos. Los saqué literales del examen para que pues, sepan qué es lo que van a encontrar en la sección del vocabulario. Les dice, lea el siguiente párrafo y complete las brechas con la palabra más ajustable, la que se ajuste más. Entonces van a encontrar un texto, no este, obviamente no, pero similar a este. Entonces cuando usted le da clic en cualquiera de las opciones, le va a marcar 3, 4 opciones y usted va a seleccionar la que se ajuste según lo que dice el texto. Entonces esa es la primera parte del texto, lo que van a encontrar ahí. And number 2, select the words that could go together. Y les va a salir también, seleccione las palabras que pueden ir juntas. Entonces, por ejemplo, les colocan, no sé, depend, depende. Y les colocan 3 opciones o 4 opciones. ¿Cuál iría unida a esa expresión? Que sea correcta. Por ejemplo, sit. Entonces usted dice sit on, sit after, sit in or sit down. Entonces usted sabe que por lógica es sit down, ¿cierto? Que es sentarse. Entonces ahí debe hacer ese ejercicio de vocabulario. Va a encontrar esas dos secciones en la primera parte de su prueba. ¿Listo? Questions? Questions?
No comment.
No questions? No questions? Okay. What about Ingrid? What about Laura? What about Mari? What about Liz? ¿Qué hay del resto de estudiantes? ¿Preguntas? Questions? No questions?
No, teacher.
Ok, entonces, to finish, para finalizar, nada se nos olvide, ok, ir realizando, bueno, esta serie de simulacros, ya saben cómo está trabajando. Next class, we are going to talk about grammar section and reading section and some exercises. La próxima semana trabajaremos entonces la sección de gramática, cómo funciona, la sección de lectura y algunos ejercicios que son prácticos para esto. Ok. And well, to finish our class, I'm going to explain this part in Spanish. Para finalizar nuestra clase, explico esta parte en español. Les agradezco realizar las unidades. Iremos en la unidad 3.2. De aquí al viernes recibirán aquellos estudiantes que no hayan hecho el ejercicio, que no vayan, recibirán pues una alerta académica de mi parte para que se pongan a tono o al día con este ejercicio. Recuerden que ya estamos finalizando nuestro curso. Y asimismo, el único día de realizar el examen es el día 21 de agosto. No realizarlo antes, no se realiza antes, no se realiza después de esa fecha. Tienen todo el día habilitado el examen. Yo les indicaré las horas exactas, ¿cierto? Para que ustedes puedan realizar este ejercicio. Questions? Questions? No questions? Okay, students.
No, pues.
Thank you. So, okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you for coming and see you next class. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher. God bless you.
Oh, thank you. Bye-bye. See
Thank
you
you.
next class.
Bye-bye.
Bye.